In this video, we will create transparent gradient effect using Canva. Let's start. Open a blank video page, click on elements, search for images. Let's select this image. Increase its size up to the size of the page. Now click on text, add a heading. Now click on fonts, select Anton. Now click on color and change text to white. Now increase its size and place it in the middle. Now copy this and add it to the new page. Click on share, download as PNG, select transparent background, select this page and done and download. It will be downloaded as PNG image. Now click on first page, upload the downloaded image. It will be uploaded. Now add this image here. Now click on apps. In the search box, search for image colorizer. Select this app, image colorizer. This text showing here, using endpoints, you can adjust its gradient like this. Increase transparency, add to design, it will be added. Remove that image, increase its size just above the previous text, adjust the background image. Now click on layer, show layers and move this layer behind this text layer and duplicate this image, remove its background using BG remover. Now move this layer below this text layer and now click on effects, then hollow, reduce its thickness and it's done. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.